Learn how to make a shadow puppet theater from a cereal box. I've measured a rectangle on the front of the box. I'm going to cut that out where the X is, remove it, and this piece of paper will go on the inside. It will be taped or glued in there. On the other side of the box, on the back side, I've measured a little bit differently, about 1/2 inch here on the right, 1/2 inch in on the top, and 1/2 inch in on the left. This piece right here is going to remain attached. So I've already done the next step, which is to tape the top and the bottom of the box together. You could glue that too and let it sit overnight, whatever works best for you, whatever you have around the house. So now I'm going to take a box cutter and cut out this frame for the screen. So this should only be done by adults, and make sure you keep your hands out of the way of the sharp blade. If you don't have a box cutter, you could cut this with scissors. It'll be a little bit messier, but if that's all you have, that's fine. The other thing that'll work well is a steak knife, an X-Acto blade, anything like that. But like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. There you go. Save this piece of cardboard. We'll need that for something else. Now I flipped it over to the back side of the box. You're only going to cut 3 places. You're going to leave this part intact. Let me show you how I have the Shadow Box Theater assembled. So you can see on the front side, I have my screen, which is a piece of copy paper. You can see how I have it taped on the inside, just on 4 sides. This back piece that I cut out, I just let it sort of flip down. And then the extra piece of cardboard that came from this area right here, I folded this into a triangle, taped it together, and then I taped it to this piece of cereal box right here so that it won't go anywhere and my phone will not fall. So here's where you put the phone. Here's the phone. I have the flashlight on. You prop it up just like this, and you have a Shadow Box Theater. Now, if you feel a little insecure with your phone here and your kids playing with it, you could take a piece of masking tape and